Hey kids, Miss Kulkarni here. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important topic, which is dilutions in liquids and solutions. So let's begin. What do you mean by dilution? It is a process in which we make a solution less concentrated. And how do we do that? We do that by adding more solvent to the solution and then mixing it up. So look at these two examples. The first one, which is A, and second B, you can clearly see a difference. You can see this one has a solvent up to a particular level, and for B, the solvent level is much higher. That means definitely we added more solvent in B. So which of these look like more concentrated? Obviously, that is A, which has less solvent. And which one of these look more dilute? That is the one with more solvent, and that is B. So how about some calculations for dilutions? As you know, in dilution we use molarity, because molarity is the way we express concentration. One more time, when we add more solvent, it decreases the concentration of solution. That means it also decreases the molarity, and we call the solution is more dilute. Now there is an easy formula for calculations of dilution, which is V1M1 equals V2M2. V stands for volume and M stands for molarity. And 1 and 2 are the conditions, initial and final conditions. Now look what I wrote here. I wrote here vroom vroom, just like maybe a car. When you have to start the car, or when we have to accelerate a car, it's going to do vroom vroom. So that's why vroom vroom is the formula for dilution. Let's see how we use the formula. So here is our first question. What is the molarity of ammonium chloride? And then we are diluting 50 milliliters of this molarity solution to 2 liters. Now let's write down in our formula type of V1 and M1. V1 is the first volume which I am going to read, that is 50 milliliters. And along with that, it comes the molarity 3.79, so that will be M1. Both are for the same chemical, ammonium chloride. And then finally, we are going to make a solution with volume 2 liters. And we have to find out molarity for that particular solution. Here is a problem. The volume which we got initially is in milliliters and this is in liters. In order for formula to work, we had to make sure we exactly have same units. So how do you convert 2 liters to milliliters? It is simply by multiplying by 1000. So this is 2000 milliliters. And now we can use the formula boom boom V1M1 equals V2M2. When we plug the values, what do we get? 50 times 3.79 is 2000. Remember, we have to use the same unit. So it's the new one which we got times molarity. And when we actually solve, that comes out to be 0.095. All right, let's work on one more problem for practice. So there comes the first volume and molarity. So let's list that. V1 is 1.0 liter. M1, the first molarity is 3.8. And then the final one, look carefully what it says. It says it has 7.0 liter of water poured into it. So V2 is not actually 7. It is what we have initially 1.0 plus the new 7.0 liters which we poured in. So that makes it 8.0. And the new molarity is something which we need to find out. So let's use our vroom vroom formula. V1M1 equals V2M2. Let's plug the values. So it's 1.0 times 3.8 And then new volume is 8.0 times M2. And when we calculate value for M2, what do we get? It is 1.0 times 3.8 divided by 8.0, and the final answer comes out to be 0.475. So there you go. We learn now how to dilute the chemicals and get the desired molarity. I guess you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again in next video. Until then, bye bye.